Alright gang, and welcome back to Pretext Science. Today we're going to be talking about how water and heat flow through fluids. Alright, in this experiment we have two clear bottles with blue food coloring in them. I will fill with cold water, and two clear bottles filled with red food coloring and going to be filled with hot water. I'm going to be placing a hot water on top of a cold water, and I'm going to be placing a cold water on top of a hot water, and we're going to see heat transfer through those different demonstrations. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, we have two vessels of blue with this instant read thermometer. What I'm going to do is shoot this, and that shows us at 51 degrees Fahrenheit. This one over here, 40 degrees Fahrenheit, so let me double check that. This one is at 42.4, this one is at 41. All right, so starting around 41.5 degrees average between the two. This red one, the hot vessel, is starting at 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and this hot vessel is starting at 166.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So, big difference in contrast, those two temperatures. Okay, before I pull out the card, pause it now and come up with your own idea of what is going to happen, your own hypothesis for what will happen to these two vessels as they exchange temperature. Here goes the card. Uh-oh. Okay, you could see it got a little darker at the top where there was a little bit of mixing. And right now it's just sitting there like that. Let's let time elapse. While we're waiting for that, I'm going to put the blue bottle on top of the red, the cold bottle on top of the hot bottle, and we'll see how that goes. Make some predictions now. Now's the time to pause it and make a prediction as to what will happen with this one. Okay, ready? Okay. After about that much time, the blue on this side is at 42.5 degrees. The red on this side is at 160 degrees. The formerly red on this side is now at 127 degrees. And the formerly blue on this side is at 83 degrees. Let's wait and see what happens. So it's been another minute. Let's take a look and see what happens. The formerly cold is now at 43.5 degrees. And the formerly hot is at 156 degrees, 158 degrees. The now purple is at 93 degrees, and the now purple is at 111. So, why did cold stay on the bottom? And why did these two mix? What will be the final temperature of these two? That's your question for science today. Let's talk about that.